In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by launching two apps that you wish to use in this view in the background. Then access background apps and decide which one you wish to use on the top half of your screen. After you decided, click on the icon of the chosen one at the top. Select Split Top and tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way down or all the way up and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!